Go to a ship.
Eh?
His name is Ghost Bar.
Oh, it's also bars, isn't it?
Sit on your face then. Die bloody hell, man. Why, Christ, I've been crook lately,
Get him, Jack. Oh, be careful. Get him. Pull it out. Oh, man. Pull it now out. Good boy. Whack him in, then. Good boy, son. Whack him in. Good boy, my baby. Now, take the nail out. Take it out. Oh, take it out. It's stuck. Take the nail out. Take the nail out. Pull up hard. Pull hard. Good boy. Pull it up, man. Pull hard. Yeah. You just about. Oh, you tough. Pull hard. Having a couple of beers with the bird, and he goes, "Who woke you up, brother? Who woke you up?" I reckon, "Fuck, brother, can you hear that?" I slapped my hand like there was a fly or a mosquito in the room, and he goes, "What's that, a mosquito again?" No, it was fuck. That's what woke me up. Easy. Interviewed the old bro. I said, "Bro, what were you doing from 1 to 10, brother?" Gave me what he was doing in 1 to 10. Oh, about 10 to 20. What about 30 to 40? It was so quiet. He didn't want to tell me it was shameful like it was with the mothers and fathers tree. Oh, sorry, my brain. Yo, bro asked me, "What did you like about staying with Nana Kuro?" I reckon I like watching Kuro talk to no one. When he does karakia, he thinks he's talking to someone. When you do kapahaka, you're doing it in front of someone. Yeah, well, Kuro, yeah, karakia tātou, got a whole room of 60 to 100 listening to him talk to no one. Oh man, I was fitting after me. I was a kid, but I told him, but he reckons, "I fucking make sure you know God's there for you." Sorry, Kuro. But, yep, thank you, Kuro. Love you now. Yeah. Yeah, and there was another one, and he goes, "Oh, what did we taking from then and Kuro, I reckon, bro? I'm trying to do the best I can, bro. They gave us all the skills and the ingredients. What are we doing with them?" Yeah, I learned how to mow lawns around them, learned how to cut wood. So I've taken those two jobs on it, man. Don't have to go work for a company to listen to a supervisor that doesn't know the job, but you. Nah. Be your boss, my brother. Yeah. Wood, everyone needs wood. Money and wood. Everyone needs their lawn mowed, my brother. Yeah. What about the old laundry, eh? Everyone needs their clothes dried, eh? Yeah. Certain clothes, eh? Those socks. The breakers. What is your foreign memory of the fire, my brother? I reckon Annie and Cuddle's fire. It was a lot of fun, that fire. Then our house, 1157, had a fire. We went with Jimmy Ritchie in the bush. He always slept by the fire. And he'll tell us to go and sleep in the house where the possums are. Then we wake up at Steeler's hot spot by the fire. Always had a post. Stop the wind and right by the fire. Love the fire. Love the memories by the fire. My memory of being around the fire was Piggy and Charlie Ritchie, Cuddles, Nan's fire. Heaps of good memories around that fireplace. Then 1157, we had heaps of memories around that fireplace. And to have my own fireplace is pretty cool. Going hunting with Jimmy Ritchie, he used to have a fire, put a log behind his back, stop the wind and sleep outside. He would always go and tell us to sleep in the cabin. Hunting with Uncle Jim, he always had a log, stop the wind behind his back and he's facing the old fire, and he'll tell us to go and sleep in the hut where all the possums are. But sure enough, we'll find ourselves right there by our uncle, home by the fire, stealing his hot spots. Life.